Welcome to MQLrobot EAS. In this video, we'll explore the build structure of a powerful no-code EA called Trend Seeker MTG EA, created using FXdreema for MetaTrader 4. This expert advisor is designed to detect trend-following opportunities using the RSI and ADX indicators, two of the most widely used momentum and strength-based indicators in technical analysis. Let's walk through how the system is structured. Entry logic. The EA opens trades when the RSI crosses a defined level indicating either overbought or oversold zones, and the ADX confirms the strength of the current trend. By combining both indicators, the EA aims to filter out false signals during ranging markets and focus only on strong directional trends. Buy and sell conditions are evaluated once per bar to avoid overtrading and to maintain stable performance under real-time market conditions. Martingale trade logic. Once the initial trade is placed, the Martingale MTG logic activates. This component evaluates whether price has moved a set number of pips against the trade's direction. If so, and certain trend conditions still apply, the EA opens a second position with an increased lot size. This sequence continues with a multiplier factor to attempt profit recovery under adverse market moves. Exit conditions. The EA uses a dynamic closing system. It continuously checks the unrealized profit or loss of open trades. When a certain profit target or cut-loss percentage is met, either per trade or for all trades in a group, the EA closes positions automatically. This structure allows the EA to secure profits when targets are hit, cut losses under predefined conditions, and apply both individual and group-based exit logic. Adjustable parameters. Some of the customizable inputs include RSI period and levels for buy and sell, ADX period and signal thresholds, Martingale distance and multiplier, profit target levels, cut-loss percentage per trade group. You can tune these settings to suit your trading style, account size, or risk profile. Important notice: before using this EA on a live account, make sure to understand the Martingale risk and its impact during long drawdowns. Perform extensive backtesting using 99.9% tick data for better accuracy. Adjust the EA according to your broker's execution conditions, spread, and leverage. Martingale systems can be profitable under controlled setups, but must be handled with caution. Want to try this EA? You can download the full version and learn more here. MQLrobot.com. And don't forget to subscribe to MQLrobot EAS for more tutorials on no-code EA building using FXdreema. Thanks for watching. Let's continue exploring automated trading together. Feel free to comment your questions or EA requests below.